Namaste. My name is Sajal Agrawal and I am a student. Yeah, I know, but it's never too late. Have you ever been rejected? If I ask this to 10 people, probably each one of them would say yes. If I ask this to 1,000 people, probably 900 would say yes. So I actually decided to go down the streets and ask people. I decided to ask three things. Have you ever been rejected? How did it feel? Obviously, it would not have felt good, but then yeah. And what did you do after that? So I asked this girl, and she was a first year student. I asked her, "Have you ever been rejected?" She told me that she has never tried anything yet for which she could have been said no to. So you see, next two question did not make sense. I asked a kid, "Have you ever been rejected?" He looked at his mother and asked her, "Mommy, what is he asking?" His mother told him, "Don't bother, it's not a good thing." I moved along. I asked a man, "Have you ever been rejected?" He smirked for a second and then replied he was even once rejected for a cleaning staff job. And yes, it is stressful, it is disheartening, but then it took him time to realize that rejections are helping him in a way. They are helping him find out his pain areas. Where did he lack? What did he miss? And once he had figured it out, he came back stronger. Strong enough to be in a really good position now where he is. One last story. I was into my final year of graduation and I was already rejected by TCS and Infosys, and I was sitting for an interview for a company called iFlex. I walked in and the first thing that the interviewer asked me was, "Who is the president of India?" And all I could recall was, "She's a lady." He asked me, "Does she have a name?" I could not tell him. He then asked, "Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Defense Minister of India?" And I could not answer even single question of his. He smiled and then he told me that HR would get back to you. Thank you. And everyone knows what would have happened after that. That was the first and last day of my life where my confidence went to its lowest level. I even thought of returning back to my hometown and help father with his business. But today I have come a long way. Uh, I'll share my resume afterwards, don't worry. What I'm trying to tell here is rejections are hard, they are stressful, but they are not the end. As that man said, they teach you something. They teach you that there is something you did not do well this time. You lacked something, you need to prepare more, you need to work hard. The way I take it as a full stop in a sentence. It gives me a fresh opportunity. It gives me an opportunity to start a completely new sentence and then start from there. It would be hard initially, it's not that easy. I have felt it, I know. But then eventually, if if your mindset is right, you will find a way to get out of your rejections. You'll find a way to gain back your confidence and all that you would need. So friends, I have a request. If you guys are still watching this video, do let us know through your comments, how did you handle your rejections? And trust me, it might help someone. It might help someone gather his strength, his or her strength. He might need it. He might need your support. Do let us know. Thank you.